today I'm here with Chris. We're gonna work on the Volkswagen.
Oh yeah.
He just picked something dope up, and it's gonna help out comfort. Comfort. All right, let's show you what it is. This is the seat that we're gonna put. It's off of a Rzr. How much did you pick it up for?
I picked it up for $100.
$100. Well, two. Yeah. So we're gonna actually go to the parts store right now, get some bolts for the bottom of this, and we're gonna install it, see how it looks. So we made it to the parts store. You just gotta find the bolts that fit. If you're looking for bolts that fit the Rzr seats, it is gonna be 1/4 inch standard thread. We got the 1 1/4 inch long screws because we're gonna put a plate that goes across the bottom of the frame. That way it's more secure. So yeah, so we got 8 of those for the 2 seats, and we're also gonna do some lock washers. That way they don't loosen up or anything. So this is actually what we got. It's about 6 feet of this steel. So we're gonna put this bar across the bottom of the frame so it's more secure to the frame of the Volkswagen, and it's not moving around or anything or rip off of the frame or something. And so we just gotta drill holes and cut it, and we should be good. Time for some liquid motivation. So our idea that we're coming up with is, on this plate, we're gonna use the original mounting bracket, and we're gonna drill some holes. The screws are gonna come underneath, come out here, and it's gonna mount to the bottom of the seat. So that'll sandwich it all together. And then for the front holes, we're just gonna mount it onto this piece of metal. That'll be good. And for these up here, we have this bracket we're gonna cut, drill some holes in it, and we'll mount the bracket to this. That way the seat will be solid and it won't move. This is what it looks like mounted on. It actually makes the Volkswagen look way better.
Oh yeah.
Way better. So what we ended up doing, we put a bar across, bolted these down. The bottom one's holding the seat, and in the rear it's gonna go through the frame, this piece, and go into the seat. So that holds it really well. So it's time we actually work on the front end. We need to get that welded on because the bolt will not work. It got stuck inside the thread. So this guy over here, what's your plan?
I'm just gonna weld that.
How many years of experience do you have welding?
Not years, maybe minutes.
Oh, minutes, great. Let's get this started. I guess we gotta keep it going from there. We literally learned welding in like 10 minutes, and then we're doing this now. It'll be fine. What do you say? All right, we got that welded now. It's not going anywhere. Next step is fixing the brake. This side down here, the piston does not move, it's stuck. Replace the piston, bleed the brakes, and then we should be good, right Chris?
Yeah.
What are you working on over there?
Still the seat.
Still the seat, mounting it up. Almost there? Yep. All right, let's get it. All right, we got both seats mounted. We finished up the brake cylinder. We're about to put the wheel back on. So after we get the wheel on, the only thing left to do is to ride this thing. You ready for that, Chris?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Also, quick update. The generator that we put on here, it's actually working. It's actually keeping the battery charged. So that's great news. Money well spent. How does the seats feel?
Fucking awesome.
Awesome. Alright, this is the first ride. We changed the brakes, we added the seat. Let's test the brakes out first. Brake. Not holding? Brake not holding. right, so that was the first ride after we got it back on its wheels.
So now what we gotta do is power wash it and hopefully get some paint on it.
And we also have to fix the brakes, but that'll be for another episode, not today. But here it is. It looks great with the Rzr seats.